Welcome to my channel. This is Mallu with you. Today we are going to checking out a Lagard key lock. We have a 2270 series lock. This lock is coming with changeable key mechanism. This is similar to the combination lock. The mechanism also almost same. I'll show you after this. If you want to open the lock, put the key all the way in and turn it clockwise, it will open. This key is coming with a new lock. You have to pair it after with different keys. So let's check it out how it's changed. Before changing, open the door outside and turn the handle to close position. Then put the key inside. Turn it clockwise. Before the bolt will go inside, you will get a click sound. See? When you get the click sound, stop it there. Then put the changing key inside all the way in. Turn to the right hand side. Then turn the key anti-clockwise and open it. Then put the new key inside. Turn clockwise. Then change the changing key. Now set it up on this key. See? We have long key also available with this lock. It's a detachable key for the big doors and everything. You can attach to this key and use it. When you're going home, you can remove it and keep it in your wallet. Let's check it out. How is the inside? This is to open. See? Now the combination lock also here. No. It's almost looks same. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe it and support. If any fault or any suggestion, come to my comment box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, don't forget.